Hello guys, good morning. I'm gonna show you where's my pretty brush with I'm gonna make up now. Don't worry. You can do it guys. Then you can send it to your many friends. Where do you live? Tell me. My name is Star. What's your name? Abigail? Okay. Abigail. Do you want to make up? Okay. I'm gonna. Mama, kay Kuya Lucky na pa makeup.
Kuya Lucky?
Oo, nag-makeup si Kuya Lucky. Abigail. Abigail. I'm so bright. Okay, put this back. Okay. Then the most bigger one. Salamat, salamat, Jesus, sa gibing mo. Tanda siya sa gibing mo.
Wow, makeup.
Kinutan wasay sa gibing mo. Okay, I'm done. Kuya, may dapa other one. Kinipita mo. Ay, na. Come on. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
I think nawala. Ah,
Be, give me na my cell phone.
Mamamalakat na kita.
kaya mom still gonna picture ma. Kaya para the video will be happy.
Wow, do you have subscribers na?
Yeah.
What do you tell them?
Please forgive me
Why?
because
Please forgive me.
because I poop in them.
Wait,
Hey,
are you pretty na? Can you ask them if you're pretty na?
Is I'm pretty?
So you say goodbye.
I'm not still done kay may dapa di man.
Okay.
So guys, look at me how
How
I do like this.
Let me see.
Okay, do I look pretty, ma?
I see. Oh, you look absolutely.
May pa the last one. May na pa last one na ano para butang. Okay? May na last one na para ice na liwat.
Sige na ka, I need my phone
Sir, may
soon.
na wifi.
Oo. Okay, tapos may dapan pa an para butang ba? An para nasunod ba? An para an same ba?
Wala ka, safe ka. It's hard to remember yan.
Okay.
Hello guys, may dapa ko sa nala ha? You wait for Milana. Don't say goodbye. Sige, kung na say goodbye, I will not call you nala ha?
Nakaway ka man. Okay, one, close eyes lang. Nagsayo.
Kanini. Makita meron. Lagi mo.
Sorry. I'll just erase it. Okay, say goodbye, Anika. We will fix it.
Goodbye. Back na lang.